Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best jigsaw blades that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Black & Decker 24-pack Jigsaw Blade Set. This Black & Decker 24-pack Jigsaw Blade Set is our first choice because it comes with 5 pieces that are strong, durable, and sharp for immediate use. This Jigsaw Blade Set is a perfect choice for any carpenter or DIY enthusiast who needs to use a wide variety of blades. This set comes with a total of 5 different blades with teeth ranging from 6 to 24 per inch, which implies that you can use them to cut wood, PVC, lumber, and light metal. Because these blades are made using hardened metal, you can rest assured of having ample backup for a long time. Moving on at number 4, we have the DeWalt DW3742 14-piece T-Shank Jigsaw Blade Kit. This T-Shank blade kit from DeWalt is another highly revered option, and it is easy to see why. Quality. The set contains 14 blades that will work as replacements in case one fails or breaks down when working on a project. The most impressive thing about the kit is that it is designed to make your work more versatile. The blades come with different teeth, including 6, 10, 12, 18, and 32 teeth per inch, which will allow you to make smooth cuts on fiber, wood, plaster, and metal. Further, these blades offer superior grip and stability compared to alternative blades. This allows you to cut your workpiece faster without bending. Also, they work with most jigsaw models, including Bosch and DeWalt. At number 3, we have the Bosch TShank Jigsaw Blade Set. This Bosch TShank Jigsaw Blade Set is another top option that stands out for innovative design and variety. It contains a set of 21 blades, which can be grouped into 6 types for cutting wood, plastic, and light metal. One of the main selling points of these blades is their progressive tooth pitch, which means that the teeth nearest the blade shank are relatively smaller compared to others. The effect of this is reduced strain on the blade, faster cuts, and smooth finish. All the 21 pieces in this set are made using high carbon steel that makes them tough enough, even for the most challenging tasks. Also, carbon steel helps to ensure they retain their sharpness for longer and increase their lifespan. This is why most carpenters prefer them, especially when dealing with tough work pieces. At number 2, we have the SKIL 94906 Wood U-shank Jigsaw Blade Set. If you are looking for high-quality jigsaw blades, but only want to spend a few dollars, the best answer could be this SKIL 94906 Wood U-shank Jigsaw Blade Set. It is a set of 5 jigsaw blades that are mainly designed for cutting wood. This means that if you wanted a multi-purpose blade to cut through multiple types of workpieces, including plastic and metal, you might have to check other blades in this review. One of the outstanding things about these blades is that they are sturdily constructed and reinforced. This helps to reduce breakages and make them more durable. It also reduces bending to guarantee smooth and professionally looking cuts. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gunpla OT400 2915 pieces Jigsaw Blade Set. Gunpla might be a less known brand when compared to other top brands, such as DeWalt or Makita, but it pulled a great surprise here. Its OT429 is a set of 15 blades that are designed to deliver the highest possible value to users. Even with the sturdy design, hardening, and guaranteed results, its price tag is very low. The biggest selling point of these blades is that they are designed with premium quality high carbon steel for durability and high quality cuts. The blades come sharpened from the factory to guarantee not just faster but cleaner cuts. You can use the blades right from the packet to make straight cuts, curved cuts, rapid cuts, and plunge cuts on both soft and hardwoods. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.